Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Beautiful Rose Garden. It's always a joy to have you here. If you enjoy simple and natural gardening tips, you're in the right place. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment or share your thoughts below. I always love hearing from you. Today, I'm going to show you a gentle and natural method to root rose cuttings, using garlic, lemon, and a little coffee. Let's begin. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. We'll need a few cloves of garlic, half a fresh lemon, and a small amount of ground coffee. These simple ingredients can work wonders when it comes to helping your rose cuttings grow roots naturally. Step 2. Make the rooting solution. Start by peeling and chopping about 3 cloves of garlic into small pieces. Place them into a clean glass cup. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of water, about half a regular glass. Now add 1 teaspoon of ground coffee. Finally, take half a lemon and gently squeeze the juice right into the mixture. Give it all a gentle stir and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This resting time helps release the natural nutrients from the ingredients. Step 3. Prepare your rose cutting. Now let's choose a healthy rose stem. It should be firm, but not woody. Remove most of the leaves, but leave 1 or 2 at the top.
Siêu mẹ đến đấy mà.
Then, make a 45-degree cut at the base of the stem. This angle helps the stem absorb the solution more easily. Step 4. Filter the mixture and add honey. After your solution has rested, strain it carefully to remove the garlic pieces. Now, add 1 teaspoon of honey into the liquid. Stir slowly until the honey dissolves. Honey not only protects the cutting, but also encourages gentle root growth. Now, soak your rose cutting in this natural solution for about 2 to 4 hours. Step 5. Prepare the potting mix. While the cutting is soaking, let's prepare a gentle growing medium. Mix coconut coir and clean sand together. This combination helps keep the soil light and airy, which is perfect for root development. Put this mix into a small plastic cup and make a small hole in the center. Now gently insert your rose cutting into the hole and press the soil around it. Step 6. Create a mini greenhouse. To keep the moisture in, take a larger plastic cup and place it upside down over your cutting. This creates a mini greenhouse that helps keep the humidity just right. Place the cup in a cool, shaded area away from direct sunlight. Remember to check the soil every few days and lightly water it when it starts to feel dry. Step 7. Wait and watch. Now comes the most peaceful part, waiting. After about 2 to 3 weeks, you may begin to see small roots forming. Once the roots are strong enough, you can carefully move your new rose plant into a larger pot or directly into the garden. And that's it for today, my friends. Isn't it wonderful how something so simple and natural can bring new life to a rose stem? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Beautiful Rose Garden, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried rooting roses this way? Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you peace, patience, and many blooming roses in your garden. See you next time. Let me know if you'd like this script turned into a voice file, or if you'd like a shorter version for YouTube Shorts.